like Snoop and Dre. And it's your birthday, baby. You deserve a coupe today. Wow.
Oh.
Yeah, that's your favorite part, ain't it?
Oh, so you just gonna cut that part off, Styles?
It is Monday the 29th, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Styles and Rocky B. We got somebody special for y'all to meet.
Woo woo.
She goes by the name of B. Croc.
Yeah.
What up, though?
What's up, my Tight at Night family? What's going down?
Good. How you feeling?
Man, I'm excited to be up here with y'all.
Good.
It's been a long time coming, ain't it?
Long time coming.
Finally got you up in here. So how's it feel?
Man, I don't know. It feels crazy. Like, even though I visited with you guys before, talked and stuff, it's a whole nother element to it when you're doing an interview, you know, right?
All right, so we got you here.
Yep.
How important or how much has KMOJ contributed to your success or people just knowing who you are?
Man, KMOJ it's like the legendary station in the neighborhood, period. You know what I mean? Like, younger at 8, like, that was my dream to get on KMOJ. Like, everybody wanted to be on the People's Station.
Right.
Like, I remember listening to, like, Jay Isaac and them on the People's Station and being like, you know, and
Right.
like, so it's really like you guys have contributed a lot. Like, I really appreciate all the support you guys show me, like, on and off air. You know what I mean? Like, y'all play my songs, you give me feedback all the time. You know, Rocky will tell me like, oh, this song tighter. She might be like, it's whack. Like, she gonna be honest, and I like that about her too. So it's like, KMOJ just like another family, you know what I mean? Like, I love this relationship. I'm building with you guys, and I want to continue building, you know what I mean?
Aww.
One of the things that kind of struck me, I mean, because a couple of weeks ago we had Rocky Diamonds in here, and
My brother.
the YN Rich Kids, the two names that kept coming out their mouth was you and him.
Straight up.
Yeah.
Beat
And I don't think
Rocky.
like a lot of artists like from this city really get their just due from when they contribute to the community, because you actually deal with kids each and every day.
Yeah, man. Shout out my NSJ kids, my NSJ crew. I know they listening. My YMCA kids, all my kids, man. I love them to death. Like, it was crazy. I was hearing my grandma and them was texting me and calling me like, some kids just shouted out your name on KMOJ. I'm like, ooh, YN Rich Kids. Like, oh man, I love them to death. Like, it was crazy. I went back and watched the interview. So I mean, that's a big part of what I do. Like, giving back to the kids, giving back to the community. Period. Like, I wish I had somebody that was doing that exact thing for me, and I do have people that did that for me. But it's like so important. Like, watching them perform or watching them do what they do gives me passion, and it makes me nervous because they some talented young people.
They
man.
really are.
They really are. They on their way. So shout out to them. What's up?
Let me ask you this. B. Croc, where'd you get that from? Did somebody give you that name?
I gotta make it a long story short. So
I know though.
So B. Croc, you know, like, came back in the MySpace days, to be honest, like way back in them days. I got tired of putting like different things on my statuses, like my feelings are hurt or da da da, like on, you know, your
All
little
on
on your head,
right.
So I just was like, all right, I'm gonna put B, then a dot, then Crockett, right? So then people at North, I went to North High School. Shout out to Polars, Northside Minneapolis. They people at high school started calling me, you know, B dot or B Croc or whatever, and then I was like, okay, cool. And then my homegirl Diddy, who goes by, she does you know, she does a lot of hair and stuff like that.
I know who Diddy
you know,
is.
Diddy.
Shout out to Diddy.
Shout out D dot. But yeah, Diddy was like, I was telling her I'm thinking about a rap name, you know, B dot Croc or whatever. I told her I was gonna do it like B with the dot. She was like, no, you gotta spell the dot out, like that's gonna make you different or whatever. So I'm like, all right, cool. I spelled out the dot, and we've been rolling ever since. She always tell me like, you know, you're gonna have to pay me when you go crazy, like you gonna have to. So I always shout out Diddy, man. She helped me with the name for sure, and then it got a nice ring to it, you know, B dot Croc.
Right,
People
it
just
flows
say
well
you know,
together. I like it.
So how can people find you? Just, you know, Google you?
Yep. Yeah, Google me, you know what I'm saying? I'm everywhere. No, but, you know, spell out the name is BDOTCROC. And you can find my music on Bandcamp. It's www.b.croc, so BDOTCROCMN.bandcamp.com, or you can go on YouTube and look up my videos too. Everything's B.croc. Like, just look up B.croc. You could Google it for real though. It's that powerful now, to the point where you'll see some stuff, like at least some will pop up, you know.
Where my t-shirt at?
I got you, actually. What size you need?
Extra large.
Wait,
Extra
can I get
large.
one too?
I sold out of your size. Them sizes sell quick.
Boy, I can take a big one. I'll make it.
Oh, you
I'm
gonna?
gonna cut it up. I'm gonna chop it up. I'm gonna chop it up to shirt.
Oh man.
Yeah, let me get one of them shirts.
So when we gonna take a little break, you're gonna help us out with Rush It or Flush It.
For sure.
Before we do get into Rush It or Flush It, how do you feel about, listening to your music and listening to the Twin Cities give you feedback on your music, whether it be positive or constructive criticism?
You know what? I love it because it's like all the people around me can tell me, yeah, your music's good, it's amazing, it's whatever, but in reality, like, you got to know what the people think because they're going to be the one to support you and buy your music or do whatever. So when I Rush It or Flush It, like, you nervous because people be calling and they speak, like, our people in our city speak their mind, like, they don't hold no punches. So I was nervous at first, like, man, is they flushing me? Like, don't even tell me. Like, they call, like, flush that joint. But when I heard the love I was getting, I'm like, man, like, it's an empowering feeling. So I love it. I think it's an amazing thing. It helps artists like us get out there. So
the number to know,
612-377-3456.
When we get back, Rush It or Flush It with our special guest, Beat Doc Croc, right here on Campbell J.
The People Station.
I think she ready for the go. I think she ready for the go. But I'm running my town, watching the throne, yeah, along for the crown. Queen presence, yeah, I said it, gonna be the best.